everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be discussing another divisibility rule, and that will be divisibility rule by 7. Okay, the rule in 7 says that double the last non-zero digit and subtract from the remaining digit. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, so that's the rule. Okay, so for you to know if the number, may that be a small or big number, is divisible by 7 or not, you only need to remember this rule. Okay, so firstly, you need to double the last non-zero digit. What does it mean when we say double? You are going to multiply it by 2. So the last non-zero digit, multiply it by 2. And then after you multiply that by 2, you are going to subtract. Okay? Subtract the product from the remaining digit or digits. Okay? So you're going to subtract whatever be the answer after you multiply it by 2 from the remaining digit. Okay? And then after, if the difference is divisible by 7, when we say divisible by 7, meaning the remainder is 0, or in other words, there should be no remainder. Okay? So, if the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin nun? So, unang-una, para malaman mo kung yung number, kahit pa maliit o malaking number yan, ay divisible by 7, the technique is, kailangan mong i-double. When we say double, i-multiply mo ng 2 yung non-zero digit number. Non-zero. Take note of that one. Non-zero. Kasi kapag 0, the answer is always 0. So, non-zero digit. I-multiply mo siya ng 2. After mo ma-multiply ng 2 yung last digit, isusubtract mo siya doon sa natitirang number. Okay? So, subtract mo yung product dun sa natitirang number. After mo siyang masubtract, yung answer nun, you divided it by 7. If it's divisible by 7, meaning wala siyang kahit anong remainder, kailangan ang remainder ay 0, then masasabi mo na yung number na yon ay divisible by 7. Okay? So, to fully understand what I'm saying about the divisibility rule by 7, let's take a look at the following examples. Okay? So, for this one, 315. So, what is the rule in divisibility by 7? It says double the last non-zero digit number. So, what is the last non-zero digit? This is the last non-zero digit. So, ibig sabihin, double. Double means times 2. Okay, so yung 5 natin dito, we have to multiply it by times 2. So, 5 times 2 is 10. So, yung 10 na yan, we are going to subtract it from the remaining. Ano yung remaining? Ano yung natitirang number dito? Ang natitirang number dito ay yung 31. Okay, kasi ito yung kinuha nating number. Nag-times 2 tayo doon. So, yung natira, after minultiply natin last digit is yung 31. So, isusubtract natin. We're going to subtract 10 from 31. So, minus 10 here sa remaining number. So, 1 minus 0, that will be 1. 3 minus 1, that will be 21. Okay, so 21, sabi after you subtract, the difference is divisible by 7. So, subtract from the remaining digit. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. So, we want to know if the difference is divisible by 7 by dividing this. 21 is a multiple of 7 because when you divide 21 divided by 7, it gives you 3 as the answer. At dahil doon, at dahil yung 21 ay divisible by 7, we say that 315 is also divisible by 7. Okay, so divisible siya by 7. Okay, next. Another is 546. So again, ang gagawin lang natin, we always look at the last digit, the non-zero digit. Multiply this 6 here times 2, so that will be 12. So yung 12, this 12 here, we are going to subtract it from the remaining number. What's the remaining number? The 54. Okay, so subtract natin yung 12 sa remaining number na 54. So minus 12 here. Okay, so 4 minus 2, that will be 2. And 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1, that will be 4. So the answer is 42. 42, is it divisible by 7? Divisible ba siya by 7? When we divide 42 divided by 7, it will give us 6 as the answer. Because 42 is one of the multiple of 7. 6 times 7, that will be 42. At dahil divisible by 7 ang 42, ibig sabihin, ang 546 ay divisible by 7. So, divisible din siya by 7. Okay? Next is 3,192. Okay, so we want to know if 3,192 is divisible by 7. So again, we have to look at the last digit. And that is 2. So 2 times 2, that will be 4. So subtract natin yung 4 from the remaining numbers, and that is 319. So put 4 here. So that will be 9 minus 4, that will be 5. Bring down 1 and 3. Pero dahil ang 315 ay malaki pa, so again, ang gagawin lang natin, i-repeat lang natin yung rule. Okay, i-repeat natin yung rule doon sa 7. So again, we multiply this by times 2, yung 5, yung last digit dyan. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So, isusubtract natin yung minus 10. This also 31 kasi yun yung last remaining numbers natin. So, 1 minus 0, that will be 1. And 3 minus 2, minus 1 will be 2. Okay? So, 21 is the answer. Is 21 divisible by 7? Yes. Okay, why yes? Kasi when we divide 21 by 7, it will give us 3 as the answer at wala yung kahit anong remainder. Okay, at dahil doon, we say that 3,192 is also divisible by 7. Okay? Next is the 5,966. Is it divisible by 7? Okay, so for us to know that, again, we multiply the last digit and that will be 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract natin yung 12 dun sa natitirang 596. So lagay natin ng 12 dito to align. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8, and then bring down 5. Okay? So, 584. Yung 584 dito ay malaki pang number. Kaya, i-repeat lang natin yung rule sa 7. We multiply the last digit by 2 again. So, 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 8 from the remaining, which is 58. So, minus 8 tayo dito. So, 8 minus 8 is 0, and then we just bring down 5. So, 50. 50 divided by 7. 50 divided by 7 is not possible. It's not divisible by 7. It's because when you divide 50 by 7, it will give you a remainder. Meron remainder. Okay? Kasi 50 is not a multiple of 7. Okay? Ang pinaka least or pinakamalapit na number dyan sa 50 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49. After 49, 50 na yon. So, the next 7 na multiple, that will be what? 56. At hindi siya 56. Okay? So, that's why 50 is not divisible by 7. At dahil doon, we say that 5,966 is not divisible by 7 also. Okay, next, the last number. Let's see if 60,424 is divisible by 7 or not. So again, titingnan natin by doing or using the rule, multiply the last digit by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 8 from the remaining numbers here. So this will be, it can't be, so this becomes 12. This is 4, it became 3. So 3 here and then bring down the other number, 60. Again, dahil malaki pa siya, repeat again the rule. So 4 times 2, so that will be 8 again. Subtract mo siya from here. So 3 minus 8, not possible. So we will be doing borrowing. So this becomes 13, this becomes 9, and this became 5. So ang mangyayari, bring this. 13 minus 8 is possible. So this will become 5, 9, 5. Okay? So, pagkatapos, ano nang mangyayari dyan? We will be going to what? We will be going to do the remaining or the same rule again dahil ang 595 ay malaki pang number. Okay? So, i-repeat natin, magmo-multiply tayo, multiply ng 2 sa 5 because that's the last digit. 5 times 2, that will be 10. So, rewrite this one here, 595. So, minus 10 tayo kasi yun yung natitirang number. So, 9 minus 0 will be 9. 5 minus 1 will be 4. So, 49 yung difference. Okay? At dahil 49 yung difference, 49 is divisible by 7. Because 7 times 7, it will give us 49 as the answer. At dahil doon, we say that 60,424 is also divisible by 7. Okay, so that's how we test the rule or the number if that number is divisible by 7. So, wag kalilimutan, ang gagawin lang, always look at the last digit number, multiply that last digit number by 2, pagkatapos, subtract it from the remaining, and then, the difference, after you subtract, should be divisible by 2. Pag malaki yung number, i-repeat nyo lang yung rule hanggang maging 2-digit number na lang siya. Okay, para mas madali siyang ma-identify if that number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay? So, that's it for today. Again, this is Teacher Luis, your mommy tutor. I hope you learned something again today. Until my next video, so please like, share, and subscribe sa channel ko. And always click the notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng mga bago kong videos. Bye!